Hi everyone, welcome to Maths. Today we are going to study from class 10 chapter 7 coordinate geometry. For that introduction for exercise 7.3 we are going to see. In that area of triangle we are going to study how to calculate the area of triangle. So normally if triangle is given to us, any triangle, when a triangle is given to us ABC, what is the formula for area of the triangle? We know when we know the base and when we know the height of it, the formula is half into base into height. So this is the formula we use to find the area of the triangle. But now instead of base and height, if coordinates are given to us, coordinates means x coordinate, y coordinate, graph, you know, I've taught you. So that is point, any point like x, y1, x1, y1, then x2, y2, then x3, y3. So when points are given like that, we call coordinates. This we call it coordinates. So this is, so if we have a triangle and coordinates are given to us. So we have a triangle. To find out the area, coordinates are given to us. So this point A, the coordinate is, we consider x1 and y1, and point B, coordinate will be x2 and y2. Point C, coordinate is x3 and y3. Here numbers will be given to you. Okay, here we just give the variables. So now if we have to find out the area of the triangle, then how to write the formula? So what we have to do is, you have to remember that first of all you have to remember this half into base into height is normally our formula. So you have to remember this half. So how you will form the formula for this? You will write half first. First you will write half. Then first you will take x part of it. Okay. First you will take this x part of it, x1. So you will write x1. So once you write x1 inside the bracket, now your cycle begins. If it is, this is x1, then you will take the cycle comes this direction, starts from this direction. You will take the y value, both this way it will go. So you will take, you will take y2 and y3. So it will be y2 minus y3. Okay, then plus. Now you will take x2. So when you take x2, so you will write x2 here. When you take x2, the cycle begins this direction only. So you will start y3 and then it goes here y1. So you will write y2, x2 you have taken, right? So y3 and y1. So y3 minus y1 plus, so x1 is over, x2 is over, x3 you will take. So you will take x3 and in the bracket, this is x3, then you will take y1 and y2. So it will be y1 minus y2. This is how you will remember the formula. This is only how to remember the formula. We are not doing the derivation of the formula because it's very difficult, derivation of the formula. All that you need is how to write the formula, or what is the formula to find out the area of the triangle. So this is the formula you have to remember. Another way you can remember is like this. You can consider that there is a circle is there. Point 1 is here, 3 points are there. So this is point 1, point 2, point 3. So circle begins here. So you begin from here anti-clockwise. So if this is 1, that means x value. Consider these are x value. So x1 means y2 minus y3. Then next plus, so plus, then this you consider as x2. This will be x1, then y2 minus y3 plus, then this will be your x2. So this is x2, this is x2, then like y3 minus y1, then plus, this is x3 in bracket, this is y1 minus y2. So like that you can remember. So x1 means y2 minus y3 plus x2 means y3 minus y1 plus x2 means y3 minus y1 plus x3 means y1 minus y2. So like that you can remember the formula. Now another method is, or one more method of remembering the formula is, you can write down like this, half, and module you can put it. This I'll tell you the reason for it. So here it will be x1, x2, x3, again x1, y1, y2, y3, y1. So like this also you can remember. So now when you are writing, you will write down like this first, x2 with y3, x3 with y1. So this direction first you can write down. So we'll write down like this, half, module will be put, you want to put it in bracket, x1, y2, x1, y2 plus x2, y3, x2, y3 plus x3, y1, x3, y1. So when you wrote this direction all with x1, x2 plus x2, y3 plus x3, y1. Write down like this. Now when we start from this direction, the sign will change. Now it will change into minus. So now you will write this direction. So y1, x2, y1, x2 minus y2, x3, y2, x3 minus y3, x1, y3, x1. Then we put the module here. So this way also you can remember the formula, and whatever the value of x1, x2, whatever the value, we'll put the value and simplify. And why we this put? Because area always have to be in positive. We can't write in negative. So if you get your answer inside like this, if you get it, this why we put, so that we get our answer in positive. So it will become, whenever you put it inside the module, it will become, answer will become in plus. Even if you get answer in plus, your answer it will be plus only. If it comes minus, you have to write it in plus. That's why we have put the module, because area cannot be negative, area has to be positive. So either this way you can remember the formula, either this formula you remember where you will write this way, or you can remember this way the formula, how to write the formula. You have to just put the values and then simplify and get the answer. That's it. Thank you. God bless you.